y equals to negative 2.5, y equals to x square positive 8x positive k. In the given system of equations, k is a positive integer constant. The system has no real solutions. What is the least possible value of k? We can use Desmos to solve this problem. That is, we can get the least possible value of k. Let me take the first equation in Desmos, that is y equals to negative 2.5. Here, I am getting an horizontal line as graph for the equation y equals to negative 2.5 through the value negative 2.5 on y-axis. Now, let me take the second equation, that is y equals to x square positive 8x positive k. Here, we can click on k to get a slider for k. The question says k is a positive integer constant, and we know that the least positive integer is 1. So we can set the minimum value of k as 1, which is the least positive integer, and the maximum value of k can be any positive integer greater than 1. Okay, I am taking 20 as a maximum positive integer value for k. Now, let's use a slider to adjust the value for k. Here in Desmos, the graphs of two equations intersect at 2 points. That means the given system has two solutions. According to the given information, the system has no real solutions. That means the two graphs should not intersect. So accordingly, we have to adjust the values for k. Okay, now let me use a slider to adjust the value for k so that the two graphs should not intersect. Okay, here, if I want these two graphs not to intersect, the parabola must be above the horizontal line, y equals negative 2.5. So then only the two graphs will not intersect and the given system has no real solution. Okay, now let me take some positive integer value for k. Okay, here I am taking the positive integer 13 for k. When you take the positive integer 13 for k, the two graphs intersect at 2 points. That means the system has two solutions. Okay, now let's move to the next positive integer value, that is 14. Okay, let me take 14. Okay, when you take k equals to 14, the two graphs do not intersect. That means the given, the two equations in the given system has no real solution. What if I take the next integer value for k, that is k equals to 15? For k equals to 15 also, the two graphs do not intersect. In case I take k equals to 16, 17. So when I take k equals to 14 or any positive integer greater than 14, the two graphs do not intersect and the given system has no real solution. So the least positive integer value of k is 14, for which the system has no real solution.